In this video, we're reviewing the Instacart Mastercard credit card to help you determine if it's the right fit for your shopping habits or one to pass on. Offered by Chase, this World Elite Mastercard provides 5% cash back on Instacart purchases made directly through the app or website, up to $6,000 spent annually. Beyond groceries, it offers 5% cash back on travel booked through the Chase Travel Center, 2% on dining, gas stations, and select streaming services, and 1% on all other purchases. With no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees, it's a compelling option for frequent Instacart users. However, the card's value diminishes for those who don't regularly use Instacart, as the highest rewards are tied to that platform. Additionally, some users have reported issues with customer service and unexpected charges, such as being billed for an annual membership without prior notice. While the card offers attractive rewards for eligible purchases, it's essential to consider your shopping habits and ensure that the benefits align with your spending patterns. If you frequently shop through Instacart and utilize Chase Travel, this card could be a valuable addition to your wallet. However, if your usage is limited, the rewards may not justify the potential drawbacks. Always review the terms and conditions and assess how the card fits into your financial lifestyle. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech and finance insights.